Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to integrate with Excel. So first what you want to do is click on the Imports tab on the left side of your screen, and then you'll want to click on Excel Import. And from here you can select whatever text you'd like and whatever form type you'd like. And this is where you can download the templates like this. And this is where you can see the template. So everything that is in red is required for the form. And a good thing to know is that you cannot put any special characters in your form, like dashes, asterisks, periods, anything of that sort. You also should not edit or modify this template in any way, as that could mess with the internal coding and it would end up causing it to not be imported properly. And this is where you can upload that form. And this is how you integrate with Excel.